Hi everyone, I am Varun Kumar and now we are going to discuss IT applications. Chapter 1, Session 3. Daily use of IT applications. Main application of information technology in modern world are cables, TV, video on demand, interaction between distance person, multimedia conferencing, home shopping on web, ATM, electronic data interchange, telemedicine, geographic information system and many more in different fields as you can see here. IT in education. Information technology is playing a major role for both the student and achieve a better understanding, learning and education while teacher to keep themselves up to date and improve their teaching skills. Role of information technology in education. Information technology has made both teaching and learning easier. Information technology help in the teacher and the administration to keep track of all students in classroom. Education can be used with like a digital books. Information technology has made education fun and entertaining. Information technology has made education accessible for all the students. Information technology has made access to research and information much easier. Information technology has made group studies and assignment much easier. Computer used at home. Home budget. Computer can be used to manage home budget. Computer games. In computer use of computer at home is playing games. Working from home. People can manage the office work at home. Computer can be used for entertainment purpose, information, chatting and social media. Computer aided learning can be also used and distance learning. IT in everyday life. Whether we are aware of it or not, we are surrounded by network through which information flow constantly. Our notion of time and location are changing. The world seems to have become a global village where distance is no longer a barrier to commercial or social contact. If we live in Britain or other part of the westernized world, it's difficult to imagine being without all the network infrastructure that play a crucial parts in our daily life. IT at workplace. ICT can manage, analyze, and transmit large amount of data. ICT systems can save time in the workplace and make us more productive. ICT systems are used to analyze financial data such as whether a company is making a profit or loss and how much it earns from each customer as well as managing staff wages. IT in entertainment. Entertainment technology help us to relax and enjoy some free time. The latest technology has been revolutionized daily entertainment. Old ways such as recording on record, tapes and CD have made music across the world. Movies are brought into living room through photography, film and video. With the emerging of computer technology, ways of being entertained have optimized greatly. Many households are now having computer, consoles or other kind of hand-holding computer games. IT in communication. The information technology is all set to play an all pervasive role in human resource management. Today we are in information technology era. Every organization will be affected by it. Many organizations have already started use of it. Information technology facilitates storing and regaining huge information quickly with the help of hardware and software networks and workstation at lesser cost. Information technology enable combination and configuring of data to create distinctly new information which aid in making quick decision. IT in business. Benefit of ICT in business are automation. The impact that computer and IT have had in all sectors has happened in this sector too. Communication. With the advance of IT, business adapted to newer age methods like email, video conferencing, audio conferencing, etc. Third, marketing. The use of website has emerged as a new and cheaper way to reaching new markets, offering customers the opportunity of buying goods and services. IT is used in science and technology. Technology uses science to solve problems, and science uses technology to make new discoveries. However, technology and science have different goals. The goal of science is to answer questions and increase knowledge. The goal of technology is to find solutions to practical problems. Although they have different goals, science and technology work hand in hand and each help the other advance. Scientific knowledge is used to create new technology such as space technology. New technology often allow scientists to explore nature in a new way. IT in banks. IT had developed the banking industry to deal with the challenge the new economy poses. More than most other industries, financial and institutions rely on gathering, processing, analyzing, and providing information in order to meet the needs of customers. Given the importance of information in banking, it is not surprising that banks were among the earliest adopter of automated information process technology. IT in insurance. We are in transition from an industrial to an information society. In the present scenario, information technology has become the backbone of every industry, especially for the insurance industries all over the world. Instead of just adding the value to the insurance sector, technology underpins its very growth and evolution. The information technology has a huge impact on the insurance industry, and the unthinkable have become doable now. IT in marketing. Tech helps businesses grow and prosper, create relationships, strengthen the effectiveness of organizations, allow people to learn from one another, and greatly affect the way company communicate with prospective customers. Every marketer is starting to view technology as an important factor when it comes to development and growth. IT in marketing. IT in government sector. ICT holds particular promise in area of governance and public participation. Open Government and Government 2.0 and e-government proponent believe governments in the digital age can use information to reduce corruption and increase government transparency, accountability, efficiency, and citizen participation. ICT in health sector. The use of ICT has been remarkable growth. In India, e-governance has been institutionalized. The use of ICT has become a norm for several government departments. ICT helps patients become more involved in their own care. This becomes more significant in managing chronic conditions such as asthma, diabetes, heart disease, etc. People in remote area sacrifice a day's work and wage in order to get to a doctor for minor ailments. In such case, primary healthcare cost can be reduced by facilitating innovation in telemedicine. Telemedicine can also streaming process and decrease administrative overhead, thereby leading to creation of new high-tech markets and jobs. It is also being used for education research and data management in healthcare.